In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk ticketing system. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com, and from this part, just input right here your email that you wish to use. From in there, click onto this try for free in order to create an account that you wish for that. Now, since I already have an account, let me proceed to click onto the sign in option that we can see into this part. So let's proceed to sign in. Now here is my actual dashboard. So in order to use your ticketing system, you first need to actually integrate channels such as email, social media, and chat to automatically funnel customer inquiries into your account as tickets. To do that, you can click onto this gear icon, which is your admin. And from in there, it will open your Zendesk Admin Center. Now, onto this part, you can see these channels. Make sure to expand it. And we have in here these channels for messaging, talk and email, SDK, and the like. For example, onto this part, you can choose right here the email option, and into this, any email that has been added, if you already set it up, will actually be added to your Zendesk ticketing system. So we have in here those addresses. Make sure to enable to send email via Gmail and also authenticate SMTP connectors. You can also enable rich content, go to actions, and HTML templates available. For this, you can choose the mail delimiter, custom domains, and the likes. So once your email has been set up, any email sent to you will actually be reflected under your tickets that are available right here. This is an example for that as well. So in this part, this email will be is actually directed on how this is actually created. If you wish to add a new ticket, click on this add right here. Then from in there, proceed to add a ticket based on the queries needed for this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.